Imagine a world where the iconic track, L'amour toujours, evolves from its current form to a beacon of unity and positivity. That's the vision DJ Mo has for this timeless piece by Mr. D'Agostino. DJ Mo, a man of deep admiration for D'Agostino's work, has put forward a proposal that could potentially transform the perception of L'amour toujours forever. He's observed the unfortunate misuse of the song's melody in negative contexts and believes a simple, lyrical alteration could make a world of difference. In his carefully crafted proposal, DJ Mo suggests replacing the phrases Ausländer raus and Deutschland den Deutschen, often chanted in Germany, with mutual aid and well-being for all. These changes, he believes, could align the song more closely with its original intent, promoting love, unity, and inclusivity. DJ Mo's proposal was shared far and wide, reaching influential German DJ communities, prominent individuals, and major media outlets. Despite his efforts, the response was dishearteningly silent. Undeterred, DJ Mo continues his mission for unity and positivity. In response to the silence, DJ Mo has released his own free track titled Unity Pulse, incorporating his proposed human slogans as an unofficial anthem for Tomorrowland 2024. His hope? That this track will be played far and wide, spreading his message of unity and positivity. In summary, DJ Mo's proposal to Mr. D'Agostino seeks to transform L'amour toujours into a symbol of unity and positivity. His persistence, even in the face of silence, is a testament to his dedication to this cause. As L'amour toujours continues to face potential restrictions, DJ Mo's vision could be the key to reclaiming its original uniting spirit. His efforts serve as a reminder that music can be a powerful tool for change, and that even the simplest of lyrics can carry a profound message.